The reality upgrade button in your brain. What if I told you there's a hidden switch inside your mind? A switch that, if you knew how to flip it, could literally upgrade your reality. Not just your mood, not just your thoughts, but the actual world you experience. The colors, the textures, the opportunities, even the people who appear in your life. It's not science fiction. It's not mystical wish thinking. It's how your brain is already operating. You've just never been taught to control it. Today, we're going to find that switch, and when you see it, you'll never unsee it. Setting the stage, the strange truth about reality. Your brain is not showing you reality. It's showing you a version of reality that it thinks you need to see. Neurologists call this the controlled hallucination, a prediction machine inside your skull, filtering billions of bits of information every second, and giving you just enough to navigate the world. Think of it like a video game with a graphics setting. Your brain renders reality based on your beliefs, your focus, your memories, and your expectations. Ever noticed how, when you buy a new car, you suddenly start seeing that same model everywhere? That's not magic. That's your reticular activating system, the part of your brainstem that acts like a spotlight, telling you what's important and what to ignore. In other words, your reality isn't fixed. It's customizable. But here's the kicker. Most people are running on the default settings. The ones installed by childhood, by culture, by other people's fears. Story: the man who flipped the switch. Let me tell you a story. There was a man, let's call him Daniel. Daniel lived in what he called a gray world. Same job, same streets, same tired conversations. He felt trapped. One day, a mentor told him, "Stop trying to change your life. Change what your brain thinks your life is." The mentor gave him one exercise. Every morning, for 5 minutes, Daniel would vividly imagine the most upgraded version of his day. Not just positive thinking, but immersing himself in how it would feel, smell, sound, and taste. Within 3 weeks, strange things started happening. A stranger offered him a business opportunity in a coffee shop. He noticed hidden details in his neighborhood he'd walked past for years. Colors seemed brighter. Daniel hadn't changed the world. He'd changed the filter his brain used to see the world. The science behind the upgrade button. Here's what was really happening. Your reticular activating system, RAS, is like the gatekeeper of your perception. It decides what makes it into your conscious awareness. When you focus on something with emotional intensity, whether it's fear, excitement, or deep desire, your RAS tags it as important. And here's the wild part. When your brain labels something important, your unconscious mind starts scanning the environment for anything that matches. Opportunities, people, clues, patterns. This isn't manifestation in the mystical sense. It's manifestation in the neurological sense. You literally prime your nervous system to notice and act on things that align with your chosen reality. But, and this is the dangerous part, it works both ways. Feed your brain fear, and it will highlight threats. Feed it scarcity, and it will blind you to abundance. How to press the button. Step by step. So how do you press the upgrade button? Here's the 3-step process. Define the upgrade. Most people vaguely want better. That's useless to your brain. Be painfully specific. Not, "I want more money." Instead, "I want to earn $5,000 more per month by doing work that excites me and lets me travel twice a year." Sensory immersion. Spend 3 to 5 minutes each morning imagining you already live that version. Don't just see it. Hear the background sounds, feel the textures, smell the air. Your brain responds to vivid sensory data almost the same way it does to actual events. Micro-actions with emotional charge. Take one tiny action each day that aligns with the upgraded reality and attach strong emotion to it. Why? Emotion tells your RAS, "This matters. Pay attention." Do this for 30 days, and the edges of your reality will start to shift. The trap to avoid now. Here's the trap. If you upgrade your reality filter but keep feeding it contradictory data, you'll stall. If you visualize abundance then spend hours scrolling through fear-driven news, your brain gets mixed signals. Your RAS can't decide which version of reality to prioritize, so it reverts to the old, safe one. The button isn't a one-time press. It's a habit. And every input, what you watch, who you talk to, what you dwell on, is either upgrading or downgrading your reality. The bigger picture. Why this matters. Now we live in an age where attention is the most valuable currency. Billions of dollars are spent to hijack your upgrade button, to make you see a world that benefits someone else. But here's the truth. The greatest act of rebellion is to take back control of your own perception, to choose what version of the world you will live in. Because once you do, you don't just change your experience, you change what you create in that world. So, will you leave your brain on the default setting? Or will you flip the switch and step into a reality that was always waiting for you? Press the button.